Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the update. Open Edge and go to Menu Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge so you see the current version. Once done, the browser will automatically check for updates. This initiates downloads and verifies integrity. Make sure your internet is stable and you've saved documents because updates can prompt a restart. If automatic check stalls, proceed to the settings route described next to force an update check. Now you force and monitor the update process so it completes cleanly. In Settings, navigate to About and watch Edge download and install the package. This shows progress and any error codes. If installation pauses, wait a few minutes. Large updates can take time. You should avoid closing the browser mid-install and keep your network active, otherwise the update will retry. If prompted, permit a restart of Edge or your system to finalize applying new components and security fixes. Finish by restarting Edge or your computer so the update commits changes and replaces old files. After reboot, return to About to confirm the new version and check that extensions and profiles work normally. This verifies compatibility. If something goes wrong, use Settings apps to repair Edge first, because repair preserves data and fixes many errors. If repair fails, uninstall and reinstall Edge. That resets corrupted binaries, but keep your profile synced so book.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.